Hi there, welcome to FitMatch. Looks like you're ready to 3D scan with the Lidar sensor and camera on the back of your phone. Before we begin the tutorial, we want to assure you that your privacy is important to us. FitMatch does not store any videos used in the scanning process. Instead, we save anonymized point cloud measurements to calculate your most accurate fit. So here's a few reminders on how to get the best scanning experience on FitMatch. Place your phone on a surface at the level of your waist with the back camera facing you. Then, step away from the phone about 5 feet. Place your legs wider than your shoulders. Your arms should be out at a 45-degree angle to your body with your fists clenched. Remember this position. When you're ready, press the white button and turn your phone around with the back camera facing you. We'll give you 5 seconds to get back into position before the scan begins. Step away from the phone about 5 feet and get into position. Countdown begins. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start rotating now using the full 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scan complete.